Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can upload audio to Roblox, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead and access create.roblox.com, where only you will be able to create yourself a passes or anything, or you can also upload audios into it. So from over here, you're simply gonna go ahead and go to the creation section. From over here, you're gonna go to the development item section, and you will find this option of plugins and audios. Tap on audio and you can see add audio. You can tap on upload asset and you're gonna type in the name and I'm gonna add in the character, and then you're gonna simply go ahead. You will be able to upload yourself an audio by adding in the character over there. Tap on the upload and you are good to go. You can check the type from over there. You can also change. Tap on upload and this will simply open up the upload section. Add in the audio that you would like to upload. You can see the audio has been there. Go ahead, add in the character's name and description for it. Tap on upload and you are good to go. You can go back and do that as many times as you would prefer. Tapping on this upload asset would be enough. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.